This week's progress will start with the HVAC ducting. We were able to install one trunk out of two. There's one trunk that we began. It's hung in place. This is a supply trunk for the living room and the upstairs of the house. Underneath here, this is actually going to be a return back. I use flex for it. I want to get enough returns on this so that it really works good and it does the job it's supposed to do. Over here, we're going to go across from the plenum. I'm going to run a supply here, an 8-inch. It's going to go on this supply up through a stack, upstairs, through the closet, and into the bedroom and bathroom, where we're making a special T-piece that's going to be able to get air into both places where we need it to be. And we're going to have this high enough so you can still walk in here. So you're able to walk back this way. We're going to have two runs off of this. One is going to go over to that side of the living room. Another run is going to go from here to here. When you get over here, I almost was able to install the flex joint on here. The problem that I have with the flex joint, believe it or not, is my snips broke. So I wasn't able to finish the hole. But we'll do that. The flex joint then will be connected to the main trunk via a trunk piece that we're going to have to custom cut. So we're doing really well there. The return is going to come underneath. I'm going to remove some more brick. The return is going to run right underneath here and over to this piece here. So it's going to be a good, nice run with as little intrusion as possible. So we did good with that. Part of this too is to, I ordered an 8x8 ash clean out for the bottom of the chimney. The chimney's in pretty good shape otherwise. And I'm going to go up top and just make sure that I can get the right size cap for it to keep water from dripping down. And that's going to be a small part of this as well. In the living room, we installed this return. It's up against the wall, so we have a return here going against the wall. A supply here at the end. And because the floor had to be leveled, we took and cut custom pieces underneath here, nailed them in nice and tight, sealed all these with mastic. And then this one, because there was about maybe 1/4 of an inch behind it, blew some fire block behind it. This is nice and solid, and it's airtight. And we did that with all of them, all the ductwork. It's been sealed with mastic tight. In this closet, brought the hole up for the stack. That stack is going to go up into here. I did not cut that hole yet because I want, after the custom piece is made for the bathroom and in the bedroom, put that hole exactly where it needs to be. And also removed the sheetrock on the side of the closet where the plumbing is. And also installed an outlet back here for, we like to have a printer. We keep our printer in the closet. So it's going to be right there, and that outlet will be on the table. And I didn't put the outlet at standard height, but it's a good height for a printer. Moving along, again, sealed up all the duct work. So that's ready to go. Once on this side of the house, we must strictly adhere to the booty rule because we have beautiful brand new flooring in here. And we have beautiful hand-finished stairs. So we must follow the booty rule at all times. The tops for the registers will be here this week. We'll just put them on and that'll be the end of it. The doorstop, I have an idea. I'll have something this week for that as well. Coming in here into the laundry room, We installed the receptacles for the dryer and the washer. In the upstairs bathroom, we began to some of the demolition to remove some of the tile, which I thought was going to be a lot more difficult than it is. Right here is where the stack pipe is going to come up for the heat. And what's going to happen is it's going to be on center to this hole right here and come up as a T. One side will go through here into the bedroom. The other side will come to here, right? It'll be flush with the stack that's here already. And we're just going to build a small bump out for this. There's no other way to do it. I didn't have to heat the bedroom. We could just have the register and the floor here, but that's not how it's going to work. So this will work out fine. They're making a custom piece for that. And the tile is not hard to get up. And we're going to start doing a little bit of tile at a time to get this prepared for its ultimate renovation. So in the garage, we have the lift post installed. We have the wiring ready to go up to it. We have all the peripherals that go with the lift, the arms, the control unit, hydraulic unit, all these things. And the only issue that we had here is that this part of the floor is lower than that part of the floor. So this post has to be shimmed. Now, they can use shims on it and fine, but the good way to do it is to have the lift manufacturer send you a shim plate that's made to the exact contour of the bottom of that post. And the reason you want that is because, number one, you'll get stuff underneath there over the years, washers, bolts, things like that. I had that problem where I worked in another place. It leaves the bolts open to exposure. And just doing it with the plate is just a much better job. This centerpiece will go in between the posts when it's finished. So there you have it. Exciting times on Stafford Ave. Stay tuned.